This is very useful plastic stand. You can easily hang your shoes with this stand. After using this stand, you can easily fold this. This is very amazing cleaning brush. In this clip you can see very amazing plastic rack. You can easily attach this rack with wall and clean your fridge with the help of brush. This box is very amazing. You can easily attach with wall and keep your mobile in this box. This plastic rack is very amazing for you. You can easily move this rack and keep anything in this rack. You can also hang towel with this rack. In this clip you can see very amazing plastic machine. You can easily clean your cloth with the help of this machine. With this stand you can hang your cloth. This stand is very helpful. You can easily fold this stand. In this clip you can see very amazing lights. These lights are very helpful for you. You can easily use these lights. This clip is very helpful for you. In this clip you can see very amazing home appliances. In this box you can keep your hand wash and you can easily clean your hand with the help of this box. In this clip you can see very amazing brush. By using this small brush you can easily clean anything. With the help of this brush you can easily clean corner. With the help of this you can easily wash your hands. This small instrument is very helpful for you. By using this you can easily clean your mirror. And with the help of this you can easily clean your doors. With the help of this brush you can easily clean corners. This plastic net is very helpful for you. You can easily use this net. After using this net you can easily clean this. These plastic boxes are very helpful for you. You can keep anything in these boxes. You can keep vegetables and fruits in this basket. This kitchen instrument is very helpful for you. You can easily hang anything with this rack. These small clips are very helpful for you. You can easily attach with your wall and hang anything. I hope these all clips are very helpful for you.